This is it, the Cobra Sea Ray.
Cobra Sea Ray, it's a fighting machine. Ultra Blast Joe to smithereens.
Incredible Sea Ray splits to become a mini submarine and a one-man armored glider. For attacking on snow and ice, the Cobra Wolf with twin laser cannons and special ski torpedoes.
It's the Techno Vipers.
Cobra Wolf is vicious on ice and snow and hot on the trail of G.I. Joe. G.I. Joe, American hero.
Live the adventure of G.I. Joe, Cobra Sea Ray, Cobra Wolf, and other vehicles and figures sold separately.
Go, Joe! Battle Beast, battle for the fun of it.
Now they battle in incredible battle chariots, the ram, the tiger, the reindeer.
Battle Beast.
And in battle transport vehicles that change into battle stations, the beetle, firebird, and shark.
Battle Beast.
And to carry your army, there's the bandolier.
Let's battle! Wood! Fire! Fire beats wood!
Battle Beast can grow into an army.
Bandolier, chariots, and transports, each sold separately.
Battle Beast.
Pogo ball is what they call it when you're hopping and bopping everywhere. Pogo ball is what they call it when you're rocking and rolling in the air. So get on a pogo and get off the wall. A pogo is the thing to do. Pogo is my favorite way to have a ball. And pogo ball's the thing for you. Yeah. Pogo ball is what they call it.
Pogo ball is what they call it.
My favorite way to have a ball.
When the farmer goes in at the end of the day, the pigs get together and they all play pig pong.
You can play it all day long.
Pig pong.
Everybody come
I
along.
said pig pong. It's wild, it's fast, it's funny, it's a hit. You just can't get enough of it. Pig pong.
You can play it all day long.
Pig pong.
Everybody come along. Pig pong, pig pong.
From Milton Bradley.
You can play it all day long.
I'm a My Little Pony mommy with a pony family. And now they've got little pony friends as special as can be. There's a creamsicle and zigzag, Spunky and Kingsley. I'm a My Little Pony mommy, I want them in my family. I'm a My Little Pony mommy, and now I'm happy as can be. 'Cause I've got those pretty new pony friends in my pony family.
My Little Pony, pony friends, each sold separately.
Airlandia, where the tyrant's Hawkwind streaks to attack the air raiders.
That was too close! Air Raiders Twin Lightning going to full attack mode. Fire double missiles!
Air Raiders, the power is in the air.
Fire 1! He's right on your tail! Fire 2! Miss me! Fire!
Fighting for air against the tyrants of
You're
wind.
in my sights! Gotcha!
Air raiders Twin Lightning and Tyrant's Hawkwind, each complete with figures.
Fairy tales. Once upon a rainbow tree, a fairy gave each lovely bird happy ending fantasies. Fairy tales fun to comb, they can all be your own. Fairy tales, fun feathered friends. Fairy tales with happy ends. Fairy tales. New fairy tales from Hasbro, each sold separately.
The Transformers will return after these messages.
Airlandia, where everything runs on air.
Thunderhammer approaching, sir. Launch the Wind Razor and Windseeker. We'll show the air raiders.
Air Raiders, the power is in the air. Raiders,
Launch Wind Razor! Here comes the Thunderhammer! Ramming speed!
fighting for air against the tyrants of wind.
Hovercraft, away!
Air raiders Thunderhammer and Tyrant's Windraiser and Windseeker, each complete with figures.
You've got to see it, the Cobra Maggot.
Joe could end up in a big disaster. Cobra's got a maggot with a laser blaster.
When the rear car detaches to become a portable battle station, it reveals a hidden command center. Here comes the G.I. Joe Persuader.
So real, 10-wheel G.I. Joe Persuader.
It's got 2 long-range cannons and holds up to 6 Joes.
G.I. Joe, American hero.
Live the adventure of G.I. Joe, Cobra Maggot, and G.I. Joe Persuader sold separately.
Go, Joe.